The Honeywell 22kW air-cooled home standby generator with mobile link delivers the best in-class power quality with less than 5% total harmonic distortion for clean, smooth operation of sensitive electronics and appliances. The tough, durable, all-aluminum exterior has a Rhino Coat powder-coated finish that helps make corrosion-resistant aluminum perfect for all weather conditions. It features smart, user-friendly controls with multilingual LCD display to monitor battery status and track maintenance intervals, a whisper check self-test mode that runs at a lower RPM as a test, making these generators significantly quieter than other brands while consuming less fuel, and the Mobile Link remote monitoring allows you to monitor the status of your generator from anywhere in the world using a smart device. Engineered and built in the USA, the Honeywell 22kW air-cooled home standby generator with mobile link comes with a premium 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.